Hi, this is Prash from PB Motor Group. So we've just had this BMW 330 Sport, automatic come in. It's got the M Sport styling kit in there, but as you can see from the initial looks of the vehicle, it is a bit of a state. As you can see, the emblem there is all faded off. There's a few scratches. The alloy wheels are scuffed up. The roof is dirty. There's a few dents, scratches on the car. Dent right there. As you can see, the state of the wheels are completely corroded. Someone's actually got a spoiler on there, which makes the car looks as presentable as the original. So what we're going to be doing over the next few weeks is restoring this vehicle back to how it's supposed to be and making it look absolutely mint. We're going to be replacing, getting rid of all the dents, putting a new barrel in there, a new rear quarter window. We'll be having the interior upgraded with a sat nav. We'll be getting all the carbon stuff redone on there. So yeah, it's quite a bit of work. I'm excited. New project. Thank you for watching.